Hello everyone. Communication models. How can you apply the communication model discussed by a group to your personal life? Provide specific examples. Baker's Mosaic model of communication. By using Baker's Mosaic model in everyday life, you are more conscious that communication is a continuous process. You can enhance your interactions by actively piecing together information from different sources, checking facts, and taking into account different viewpoints before making conclusions. Using this model in personal life implies that understanding and interpreting messages derived from multiple interactions and sources. Specific examples: social media and news consumption. Let's say you are attempting to comprehend a political problem. You, you could receive pieces of information from news stories, social media updates, what your friends say, and your own experience. Each piece adds to your general understanding, not one particular source dictating your opinion. Describe a personal experience where this communication model has been useful or could have been useful. Explain how the model applies to this situation. How this model could have been useful in the past. In the past, I used to make some decisions to hastily based on a single source of information. If I had applied the Mosaic approach collecting different viewpoints prior to action, I could have avoided some mistakes, like diving into projects without knowing the extent. This experience validated the concept that communication and comprehension occur over time through many contact points as Baker model would predict. Thanks for listening.